Hey guys, how's it going? How to track election poll trends. So, use a reputable polling organizations and news outlets like Gallup or Pew Research or 538. Follow websites that aggregate polls, providing averages and trends, e.g., maybe Real Clear Politics or Polling Report. Look at how polls are conducted, sample size, demographics, and polling method to ensure validity, and pay attention to how often polls are updated to capture the latest trends, right? Basically focus on key battleground states where polling can shift significantly, and compare current polls with previous election cycles for context, and follow analysts and political commentators on platforms like Twitter and for real-time analysis and commentary, and participate in webinars or discussions about polling trends and implications. By using these methods, you can stay informed about the election poll trends and their potential impact. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.